Welcome to Beitostølen.
Beitostølen is the fantastic year-round destination in the heart of Norway. Situated in the beautiful Valdres region, Beitostølen is right by the famous Jotunheimen National Park, home to some of Norway's highest mountains. Come and explore the stunning landscapes, rich culture, and tons of activities that make Beitostølen the perfect spot any time of the year. Beitostølen lies close to the famous Sognefjord. Atle Håvi, the general manager of Beitostølen Resorts, explains why you should take the detour.
I think Beitostølen is a great place if you enjoy hiking in the nature. We have two national parks here. You have the Jotunheimen National Park, and then you have the Langsua National Park. So I think you can stay here for 1-2 weeks and hike a new peak every day.
The Jotunheimen National Park is a unique and popular hiking destination.
Jotunheimen National Park was established in 1980, and it's one of the biggest visitor parks for hiking in Norway. And the peak and the most popular hike is Besseggen. You drive up from Beitostølen, it's 30 minutes drive, you park, it's a shuttle bus, and you take the ferry into Memrebu. It's a 20-minute really nice boat trip, and then you hike back 6, 8, 10 hours back on the Besseggen. And make sure you bring your camera, because there is really nice Instagram moment there. So I think that's one of, National Geographic named that 10 years ago as one of the top 10 hikes in the world. So it's a really nice attraction.
As Beitostølen is very close, visitors can enjoy all amenities it offers.
I think about 70% of all hikers that hike Besseggen, they stay in Beitostølen from small apartments, cabins, or even in a hotel. So, and then you have like restaurants, and you have a comfortable place to stay in Beitostølen. So you have everything you need kind of to prepare for your hike, and you have 3 really nice sport shops. So if you need some latest equipment, you are all prepared.
The staff of the tourism office in the center of the village will help you with planning your hike. They have done them all themselves, so they know what they are talking about. And if you have never been on a mountain hike, why not book a guided tour?
Oh yeah, the Beito Active, they have guides if you like to do all the hikes in the mountains, organized guides. And to have a guide, you get more experience, and you get the knowledge about the mountains, and you kind of learn a lot more bringing a guide. So I really recommend having a guide if you're new to the area and you want to learn more.
If you're not into hiking, that is also covered for everybody in the family.
Oh, we have plenty of activities. We have the summer park in the ski area. We have 2 lifts open in the summer, every Saturday in the autumn, and also in the school break in the week 40-41. You have the bobsleigh, you have the cars, you have the trampoline, you have the bumper boats, and the smaller cars for the kids. And this year we have a new ski lift for the Beitostølen Express, and you can have your bike on the back seat. It's really comfortable ride. It takes 4.5 minutes up, and then you can hike. You can bike 8 kilometers up here, and we also have one route down a trail down to the bottom of the ski lift. And we're building one more new trail down now. And you have also plenty of hikes from Beitostølen. You have Knauserunden, you have also fishing, you have a horse center, dog center, husky. You have plenty, and there is also 3 swimming pools in Beitostølen. And the new, really nice now is the Ridderbadet. They opened this summer. It's really nice. You can swim from inside and out. At the Radisson you have the 25-meter swimming pool where you can really swim, and exercise center, and at the Beitostølen Health Sports Center there's also a swimming pool. So you have tons of things to do. It's a really nice place for the family to be in Beitostølen.
If you prefer a slow and sustainable way to explore Norway, then Mjølkevegen might be right for you.
Oh yeah, Mjølkevegen, that's from Gudbrandsdalen, and then that's a really nice bike route, maybe top 3 in the southern Norway. You bike from Gudbrandsdalen and Jotunheimen. It's where you have the summer farms, really nice water, you have cows and you have goats. And then you bike back to either Bygden, you can do the boat to Eidsbugarden, or you can go to Beitostølen, stay here, and then you bike over Slettefjell towards Hallingdal. And we have bikers every day in the summer, so that's a really nice new product, and it's a really sustainable way to travel.
Even if Atle knows all the surrounding regions like his vest pocket, he still discovers hidden gems after all these years.
Glittersjå, I took my family there, and it's just a hidden secret place to be. The animals, you have the moose, you have all of these animals in this mountain area. Oh yeah, that's a really recommendation.
Beitostølen is part of the Valdres region, and there is a lot to see there.
In the Valdres region you have the museum, the folk museum in Fagernes. It's a really nice place to be. Learn about the history, the traditions. You also have a really nice golf course in Aurdal, Vestringsbygda. It's 45 minutes from 50 minutes from Beitostølen. And you have in Vang, you have the Kongevegen. That's also a really nice experience. There are plenty. You have all the churches, the stavkirker, we call it in Norwegian.
Are you more interested in this region? Check out our guide to Valdres. It should give you a lot of inspiration for what else you could discover. Beitostølen has direct bus connection to Oslo all year round, several times a day. There is a limited connection to Oslo Airport Gardermoen on certain days of the week. If you come from the Fjord region, you can transfer at Fagernes bus terminal. During the summer season, the bus continues to Gjendesheim, where Besseggen starts. Another line runs from Fagernes over Beitostølen to Lom, where you can have connections to Gudbrandsdal and Stryn on the west coast of Norway. But Beitostølen is an all-year destination. Where are the winter activities? We have a whole video about it, so go and check it out.